Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Notion attachments using bulk download easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Notion website. Log into your Notion account using your credentials. Locate the workspace that contains the attachments you want to backup. Within the workspace, find the page that holds the attachments. Click on the page to open it. Look for the attachments you wish to download. To download attachments in bulk, you need to enable the export feature. Click on the three-dot menu located at the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Export. In the export options, choose the format you prefer. Select Markdown and CSV for an easier extraction process. Ensure to check the option for Include subpages if you have nested pages. Once your selections are made, click on the Export button. Notion will start processing the export and bundle your attachments. After the export is complete, a zip file will be generated. This zip file will be automatically downloaded to your computer. Locate the downloaded zip file in your Downloads folder. Extract the contents of the zip file to access your attachments. You will find your images, documents, and other files neatly organized. Review the extracted files to ensure all attachments are included. You now have a complete backup of your Notion attachments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.